Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can split screen on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to launch my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on new project option, and I'm going to add my video. Since I don't have any footage to be edited, I'm going to get a video from CapCut library. I'm just going to add, for example, this one guys. I'm going to add it to my project, and then I'm going to add my second video. We're going to go to the overlay and then add overlay, and then we're going to select the second video. For the second video, I'm going to get the video from the CapCut library again, and I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, I'm gonna click on add. Right, and if I want to split the screen, we're going to arrange the screen like this. I'm going to split it left and right. Okay, you can choose the part you want to split, just like this. And I'm going to make it split it like this. As you can see guys, that the screen has been splitted. And you can also add mask if you want to blend it. You're going to go to the mask option and then select the horizontal mask, and I'm going to rotate it like this, and I'm going to blend it with my video, my second video. Okay, just like this. You can also put mask to the second video. I'm going to select the mask, select the horizontal, and I'm going to rotate it. I'm going to invert it guys, wait. Okay, and just blend it together like this. Okay, now it's done, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to split screen on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!